Okay, this section is going to be about factoring perfect square trinomials. Remember, trinomials has 3 terms, and they have to be perfect squares. So the first and the last term have to be perfect squares. So if we look here, first of all, is x squared a perfect square? Yes, because x times x gives us a perfect square. So basically what we do, we take x, square root it, put it here. Then we look at the last term. Take the square root of 121. And if you didn't know, here it is. You go second square root 121. You should get 11. Now, with perfect square, you could do it like this. X and 11. Because x times x gives us x squared. 11 times 11 gives us 121. And then we take the sign of the middle term for both of them. So it's plus and plus. So x plus 11, x plus 11. And think about it. Remember when we were doing factoring the last term? If we multiply 11 times 11, we got 121. And if we add a positive 11 and a positive 11, we get a positive 22. Also, another way of writing this is x plus 11 squared. Because remember when you write that square behind a parentheses, it just basically says write me twice. So if I wrote, for instance, x plus 5 squared, all that means is write x plus 5 twice. X plus 5, x plus 5. So, just want to show you both ways it may be written on the milestones. Okay, let's do a few more. Let's do, we'll do number 2. So we see, take the square root of the first one, take the square root of the next one, and we'll have square root of x is x, and I'm going to do it with both parentheses and do it the other way. Square root of 36, second square root 36, and we get 6. And we take the sign of the middle term. The middle term is positive, so we'll get x plus 6, x plus 6. Or another way of writing it is x plus 6 squared. Now, one thing you just need to do is remember you're taking the sign of whatever the middle one is. So just be careful with that. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Complete the rest of the problems.